Have you ever wondered what in the world are all of those brushes for? Why in the world would you possibly need so many brushes to do one face of makeup? Well, let's talk about it. The Lash Comb and Brow Brush, they're going to help you show your brows who's boss and you keep your lashes in line. It's going to help you tame, it's going to help you separate, and help you work with clumps if you have clumps in your lashes. And this is made with boar's hair. The Deluxe Brush, one of my favorites. This is going to quickly give you a uniform color over your whole lid, giving a strong application of that color, and it's going to be a great way to do your base color for your eyeshadow. I also like to use this to blend because it's a nice fluffy brush. It's made with pony hair, and I use it to blend my colors together. The Liner Shader Brush. The soft shader brush is a great way to blend pigments and eyeshadows to give you a nice kind of blended finished look. The liner side is going to help you give precise lines. You can use it wet or dry, and this brush is made with pony hair. The Crease Brush is going to sweep in and save the day and make it really easy for you to put the color deliberately right where you want it. The design of it is great for getting into your crease and applying color there, and this one is made with goat hair. The Cream Shadow Brush. This brush was designed specifically to work with our splurge cream shadows. It's got really densely packed, soft bristles, which allows you to apply and blend the cream shadow seamlessly for a crease-less finish. And this is made with synthetic fibers. The Angled Shadow and Sponge Brush. This is like your go-to brush. You've got to have this brush. The angled side gives you precise application of shadows, pigments, anything you want. The sponge side is going to help you blend those colors seamlessly, and this one is made with pony hair. The Brow Artist Brush. If you like to do your brows, this brush is a must-have. It's double-sided. The thin angled side is going to help you give precise lines and get that powder right where you want. The flat side is also really thin, and it's going to help you give clean application. I like to use it for the highlighting of my brows, and this one is a synthetic micro crystal fibers. The Foundation Brush. This is a really soft brush made with synthetic fibers. It gives you a smooth, flawless finish. You can use it with wet or dry foundations. The Concealer Brush, aka the Magic Brush. These tightly packed bristles are going to fit the contours of your face beautifully. It's going to help you blend and smoothly apply your concealer, covering up all those blemishes. This is a synthetic brush. The Blusher Brush is designed to work with our blushers. It's got a angled tip, so it is designed to give precise application of the blush right where you want it. This one's made with Capra hair. The Powder Puff Brush, the biggest, poopiest, softest brush ever. It's designed to work with your powders, your bronzers, your concealers, your foundations, all of that flawlessly. It's a great blending tool as well. This one is made with Capra hair. The Liquid Foundation Brush, one of the most amazing brushes we have. It's a super soft brush. It has a recessed center, so it allows you to put the liquid foundation exactly where you want it on your face and blend it out flawlessly. This one is made with synthetic fibers. The Contour Brush is a double-sided brush that's great for defining and sculpting the features of your face. The paddle side is great for a precise application. The angled side is great for blending. The powder concealer brush is a double-sided brush that's designed to work with those powders and concealers perfectly. The large side is great for large application areas, and the small one fits into those nice small areas flawlessly. This is a synthetic brush. The fan brush is going to help give you a professionally flawless finish. It's designed to work lightly with powders like your bronzers, your concealers, your foundations, and it's going to lightly apply without messing up the makeup underneath. This is a synthetic microcrystal brush. The lip brush is designed to work with all of our products. It's got a retractable tip to help keep it clean and a very fine tip here to help with precise lines and help you fill in the colors to give you a flawless finish of your lip products. Say goodbye to streaks and makeup lines and say hello to blending bugs. These cute little sponges are perfect for blending in foundation, powder, concealer, all of that. They're perfect. The small one is great for small areas, gives you a nice tip and all that. The large one is great for large applications. Think foundation all over your whole face. They're cute, they're reusable, and they're awesome.